Tokyo, a bustling metropolis with a population of 14 million, was once known as Edo. The city's transformation began over 400 years ago with the establishment of the Edo-era military government, which spurred its dynamic growth. This rich history has shaped many traditions and iconic landmarks that continue to draw visitors from around the world. One of these landmarks is Sensoji, founded approximately 1400 years ago. Sensoji has long been a cherished site, serving as both a spiritual and recreational space since the Edo period. Despite surviving numerous earthquakes and fires, its enduring charm still captivates foreign tourists today.
Purifying the body. This is beautiful. Can't complain, really.
Happiness and trouble comes one after another fortune. I think it's fitting, maybe for this time in my life.
Another cultural treasure is the National Noh Theatre, built 42 years ago to promote traditional Japanese Noh performances, which date back to the 14th century. Recognized as a UNESCO Intangible Cultural Heritage, Noh Theatre showcases historically rooted performances, music, and intricate costumes with masks. Shifting to modern culture, Kiddyland Harajuku has been a hub of joy and innovation since its opening in 1950. It played a pivotal role in popularizing international celebrations like Valentine's Day and Halloween in Japan. The nearby Takeshita Street complements this vibrant atmosphere, making it a must-visit destination. Tokyo Skytree, the world's tallest radio tower, stands as a marvel of modern technology amidst the traditional Shitamachi district. This iconic structure offers visitors both amusement and breathtaking views. Tokyo is a city where historical atmosphere and modern innovation coexist in perfect harmony, captivating visitors from around the globe. Whether exploring its historic landmarks or marveling at its technological achievements, Tokyo offers an unforgettable experience day and night.